what's up? So as you can see, I'm holding this little tiny slime. I'm sorry if it's loud because my dad's watching something, but like I have this, and it's a little slime. It's a little sticky, but I like it. It's like my favorite. It has a little bit of, it has hair in it. I don't know why. No dog hair or any hair got in it. So I kind of like puking everything because like it's getting hard.
It's in the microwave.
Let me check.
Mom, you got something in the microwave?
1 sec. Popeyes. Mom, it's been beeping.
Pot pie, like a chicken pot pie?
See, look. Oh, crap.
You better get off my basket.
This is a little slime. It's a little sticky on the other side, but it's not going to be sticky in a second. This one's actually butter slime, as you can see. It spreads really good like that. I have this other slime here, but you're not going to get to see all of it. You gotta.
There's a chicken leg in there.
You gotta. 1 second. You gotta see. I can't do it now.
It's gonna get cold.
So, like, this is the butter slime. I'll show you how it spreads. It spreads so nicely. Stop. It spreads so nicely. Stop.
I want to touch it.
No. If you want to touch something, touch this. Touch that. Stop. This is for a video.
I'm touching it. I'm touching it.
You already did.
Touched it, see?
Here. No,
I'm
don't.
going to touch it one more time, then I'll leave.
Touch it right here.
I'm going to touch it, and then I'll leave, okay?
No, touch it right
I'm gonna, hold up, stop.
Touch
I got to
it.
prepare myself for this stuff.
Stop.
It's
Look,
cold.
he's trying to touch it.
Okay, one time.
Stop.
One time, and then I'm leaving. I'm going that way. One time.
Oh, my
I
God.
want to touch this one. Touch this.
Okay, touch that one. Stop! I'm gonna throw something at you. What to throw? What to throw?
You're not gonna eat
I
those
said don't touch it.
You're not gonna eat those little candy bars?
I said don't touch it.
Okay, I'm gonna give these to mommy. Okay?
No. Now you mess it up. Okay, so this is the slime. As you can see, it's a lot of slime because look. Watch how it spreads.
I'm giving these to mommy. Look.
Well, it spreads farther, but that time it's just not. I don't know why it's not spreading there. No, don't. Here, I just have 2 minutes up of my vlog. Wow. Actually, I may actually keep it like this.
Wow. Wow.
So, I'm gonna keep
What's
this.
a cow
This is
pal?
like one of my favorite slimes because it's butter slime, and that, as you have
about to mess
heard
your video
on my,
up.
as you can,
I'm about to mess
as you have heard,
Amazon.
as you have
We're
heard.
sponsored today by Amazon.com for this wonderful video.
Trash. Okay, but this is it. So
Sponsored and done by Amazon.
look,
Don't say that because it's illegal. They didn't sponsor you.
look. How cool.
We have this non-existent Amazon $100 gift card for those who
Just stop. Stop. You're messing up my video. Leave. No.
we have a lollipop.
Stop. Oh, do you
I said
hear?
lollipop and you meow.
Yeah.
What's all of that? You ain't even
No,
talking
this
to me.
is-
You ain't paying no attention to me. You ain't talk to me.
I don't like you, the kitten. It's so cute when she smells. It's like, but guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter, so it's not that plain of a blue. I know that it's a very pretty blue, and I once again got it on my shirt. So I'm gonna put some glitter in it. So I got this nice. Actually, wait. I'm gonna put some nice green glitter. So I got this green glitter. I'm gonna sprinkle a little. So I got that. Sorry if it's shaky, but sorry, I just shake the camera whenever I move. Do you see it? Oh my god. Oh, this that just stop. Let me see it. Stop. So, just the green glitter made it fabulous, so I'm not going to put anything else. I'll probably put it in another vlog. but not now.
I need a drink.
So let's
Now we'll put some little fireball stuff in here.
I'm making. Oh, okay.
That'll break.
Okay, instead of
Somebody says.
dripping it
It's in
into
there.
there, I just made it go all over me.
Blind.
But guys, that is it. You guys are upside down. Oh my god. No. Stop. 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 Get out of my video. Give me. You took my glitter. Don't throw it away. So here's the sneak peek of the slime. Well, sneak peek.
Oh, and how to open it? I finally.
Stop.
Now do with stuff.
Put it in your coffee. Or mom's coffee.
Never.
Put it in the coffee. Look at it. It's so pretty.
Oh, what is this?
I'm about to make it
What's this,
even
a nose
fabulouser. I'm about to make it even fabulouser. That's from a slime, and it's been in people's hands. No. But this is it. It's so pretty. I'm going to add more sparkle. I'm going to add this
Stop
lovely,
using all my glitter. I'm
this
gonna-
I love this thing.
big one.
Thank
I'm
you
going to,
for the Unidolphin.
I can't hear
Take the
anything.
Unidolphin.
So here it
My
is.
Unidolphin.
Here it is. It's like a pearly color, and I want to add it into this. So, what's doing? Ready? I'm gonna mix this in instead of.
Don't knock me into this.
Look how cute.
Oh, wooden slime. Get it quick.
So I'm about to.
You need to go read a book.
You need to go shut up.
Watch your mouth, you little kid.
So I'm mixing that in. I'll show you what it looks like. Well, after I mix it. One second.
Oh, an airplane.
I'll be right back.
A Halloween airplane.
So guys, this is what it turned out to be. It still didn't mix in yet for some reason. That's really crazy, but I'm trying to like mix it in. Try to mix it in.
Tootsie Pie.
I don't care. Ew, don't lick it. The wrapper. So I think it's gonna need a little bit more glitter. So I'm gonna add this in. This is gonna make it look really pretty. It's like really pretty. Stop.
Butterfinger baby.
Get.
Can I give it to mom?
Sure. I'm gonna put a lot of this.
In this bag.
It's raining sprinkles.
It's raining candy.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky.
Can I have this?
It's gonna rain glitter.
Can I have this?
No!
I said no.
No!
The cat just yelled at me and said no.
Yeah, she's on my side, not
Can I have
yours.
this?
Ready? I'll show you what it
Have
looks like.
else? Cat said no.
Oh crap! Oh! I was like,
Tell me get out of her candy.
look how much glitter it poured onto there. This one's gonna be pearl slime. Ready? Set.
Can I have this Kit Kat?
Whoops.
Huh?
That was a little too
Can I have
much.
this Kit Kat?
Sure.
Kitty Cat didn't yell at me.
Look how pretty. Look, I already had that glitter, but I'm not going to show you that because I want to sneak peek. Oh, it's going to look so pretty. But wait, I don't want to, like, ruin this minute. I need to, like, to mix this in perfectly. I put so much glitter. I regret this. Look at that. Look under it. Like, you wouldn't believe how much glitter I put in it. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is it. It's like very pearly, and I love playing with it. It's like okay. I just got too carried away. On the sprinkles, sprinkles. Am I gonna eat it? No. If I do eat it, I'm gonna die. because I used Tide for this. And this one's like, you see that glitter, right? If you don't see that glitter, I can't believe you. Bye. It's already been 10 minutes? What the heck? Okay, guys, I gotta end this. Bye.